Hi, my name is Sarah.
I'm Arturo.
And we just got married. I guess I just wanted to thank everyone here for making this such an amazing experience. I looked really long and hard to try to find a place that would be special for us to get married. You know, we're both from two very different places. I'm from the United States.
I'm from Mexico.
And we needed to find something that would allow us to be able to share our love and our spirituality in a unique and special way, because we have a very unique and special relationship. So I did a lot of searching online when we decided we wanted to go to Hawaii. And there were all kinds of cheesy places on there online. And then I found Above Heaven's Gate website, and I was so impressed. And it had, you know, an immediate attraction to the videos that I saw of Captain Howie, and I thought, this is the person that I want to marry us. We wanted something that was definitely not religious, but that was spiritual and that connected with what was important to us. And I think that that was accomplished today, big time. All of the staff made it super easy. I'm a nurse, and I have been working nonstop, night shift, 14 hours a night, every night, until coming up to this trip. So I didn't have time to be messing around with planning it. Everything was done online. I did everything online. I ordered my flowers, which are gorgeous, the cake, everything, down to the location. And I'm telling you right now, the pictures of the beach are not photoshopped. They really look like that. It is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. The garden is unbelievable. It smells like flowers here. You feel like you're in Hawaii and you're in a magical place. So, I mean, I cannot recommend it enough, and especially if you're looking for something that is different, but that is easy to do. Jody and Sarah both were amazing. Any questions I had, I changed my mind about stuff, or I wanted to know about something, I called them up, they took care of it. It was awesome, and made it so much easier for me with trying to plan a wedding. And then the other issue is, because we did this just the two of us, we have family all over the country, all over the world, so we needed something that was special and meaningful for us, but yet Fernando took amazing pictures that we're going to be able to share with our family all over the world, so that they can feel like they're a part of it, and that they were here, but yet we didn't have to give up what was important to us, which was that moment of us together with Captain Howie, and really, and when he blew that conch shell, I was just telling him, you know, I had chills on my arms, and it just transported me to a different place and really made it amazing and memorable for us. So I cannot thank everybody enough for making this the best wedding I could have possibly had, and it was an absolute dream for me.
Muchas gracias, Capitán Howie.
Aloha!
Aloha.